Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we celebrate life, resilience, and the power of aging. In this video, we're diving into the incredible journey of Diana Nyad and how it perfectly aligns with the mission of our 50 is Nifty channel. Plus, stay tuned for the latest exciting news about the Netflix movie featuring Diana Nyad. If you're ready to be inspired and embrace the idea that life only gets better with age, keep watching. Our story begins with the remarkable Diana Nyad, an endurance swimmer who, at the age of 64, achieved the unimaginable. She swam 110 miles from Havana, Cuba, to Key West, Florida, without the aid of a shark cage. Facing jellyfish stings, strong currents, and exhaustion, Nyad's resilience and unwavering determination led her to victory. Her mantra throughout this incredible journey was simple but powerful: find a way. Diana Nyad's inspiring journey embodies the spirit of resilience and the belief that age is no barrier to greatness. It's a story that has resonated with millions around the world, capturing hearts and inspiring people to believe that 50 is nifty. Now, let's explore the connection between Diana Nyad's journey and our 50 is Nifty channel. Our platform is dedicated to celebrating the vitality, wisdom, and unique experiences that come with age. While society often emphasizes the limitations of growing older, we choose to focus on the limitless possibilities that each year brings. Diana Nyad's story beautifully encapsulates our mission. She refused to let her age hold her back from pursuing her dreams, demonstrating that age is not a barrier to achieving greatness. Her journey is a reminder that the later years of life are a time for exploration, audacious goals, and the promise that the best is yet to come. So, what lessons can we learn from Diana Nyad's extraordinary journey? Resilience. Nyad's unyielding determination and her refusal to give in to adversity serve as an inspiration for conquering challenges, regardless of age. Embrace the unknown. Nyad's willingness to embrace a monumental challenge later in life inspires us to venture beyond our comfort zones and explore new horizons. Age is just a number. Nyad's triumph is a reminder that age should never hinder us from pursuing our dreams. Life's adventure extends far beyond 50, becoming even more exhilarating with time. In conclusion, Diana Nyad's journey from Cuba to Florida is a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and the belief that 50 is nifty. Her story underscores the idea that age should never limit our pursuit of dreams and extraordinary accomplishments. At 50 is Nifty, we celebrate individuals like Diana Nyad who motivate us to embrace life's adventures, regardless of our age. We believe that with each passing year, life offers new opportunities for growth, discovery, and fulfillment. Nyad's legacy encourages us to seize these opportunities and live life to the fullest, regardless of our age. And now, for the exciting news you've been waiting for. Netflix is releasing a movie about Diana Nyad's extraordinary journey. This movie will bring her inspiring story to a global audience, further highlighting the message that age is no limit to greatness. If you found this video inspiring and can't wait for the Netflix movie about Diana Nyad, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories of resilience and the power of aging. And remember, 50 is nifty, and the best is yet to come. Thank you for watching.